Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the channel. So this is gonna be the first, well, technically it's the second video for RS6, but it's gonna be the first do-it-yourself kind of video. So this one's gonna be straightforward. It's just gonna be the removal of an engine, what is that called, an undertray or an engine shield from the RS6. So it should be relatively quick and simple, and let's get started. Alright, the first thing you want to do is get it up to a ramp. So either drive it up there, or if you want, you can use a jack stand, or I guess you could also use a lift. Alright, right in front of the wheel well, you'll see two bolts there. So these two are actually just clip on there, like so. On my car, it's already broken. And you just want to turn it 90 degrees like that, and it'll snap right out. Now those clips are on both sides, and in this case I've actually already taken them out. Now if you look towards the engine, there will be 3 bolts there. So the first one's right here, second one's in the middle, the last one's gonna be at the end there. Towards the front, you'll find one right in this one, the second one right there, and the third one's gonna be right there. And then lastly, you'll find them all the way around as well. The way I would recommend removing it is first start with a 4 on the tires, and then remove the bolts in the back, then the center, and then the front. As you guys can see here, the back end dropped, and once you have all the bolts out, you just want to slide it to the back. Alright, and that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you find this useful. I'll be posting a few series of, I guess, videos strictly for the RS6, so stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys next time.